Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, if you're new to the channel, my name is Olotando Mambi. I am a vlogger, I'm a dancer, and I'm also an artist. I do painting. Today I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. I'm going hiking at Constantia. Yeah, I've never been, but I'm excited to go and see. So yeah, this is what this is. So yeah, I'm gonna be meeting up with the other dancers because I'm going hiking with the dancers, and then we're gonna go. The time is around 7, or yeah, but it's still early in the morning, so I'm just getting ready, preparing myself to go. I haven't eaten breakfast yet, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna inform you guys when I'm about to leave. So yeah. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi.
Hi guys.
Okay guys, so we just arrived at Constantia Nek. We're just waiting around. I don't know why we're waiting around. I think, oh yeah, we're waiting for the others so we can actually start the walk or the hike, whatever it is that you want to call it. Oh. So yeah, this is what this is. So just a little update on what's happening. We are going there.
So we're starting our
going
hike, guys. We are going there.
We are going where?
Going there.
We are going there.
It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be difficult.
But we need to keep pushing.
But we need to keep pushing.
No. we just hit a little stop to watch the view, as you can see behind me. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. Who else are those?
Okay, so we just took a small.
Hi vlog. Who else are those?
So we just took a little stop, a little break before we actually go up. Going all the way up. So yeah, see you at the top, hopefully. Hey y'all, so this is another update on what's happening. We're just resting now. We're still on the trail. Hopefully we're getting close because I am getting tired. I put on all this. Oh God, I put on all these fit and to get sweaty and all, but I did have it on myself though, because I shouldn't have wore this, but yeah, you know, we gotta be extra all the time. You gotta look like a Betty all the fucking time. I have no regrets. I'm still looking pretty. Anyways, so yeah, we're still gonna walk. But I feel like we're close because we're really up high now in the mountains. So I don't know, but for now we're resting. This was just a little update on what's happening. Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Ane. Yay! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. We are still walking. Haven't taken a break. The others are taking a break back there. I hope you can see. We are still walking. I'm so hot, but it's fine. It's fine. We're still walking. I'm just gonna take my lemonade because I'm getting thirsty. I'm getting thirsty. So I'm gonna drink my lemonade. Hopefully that will get me enough energy to go through with this hellhole of a trail that I'm going through. And they said that there's gonna be like a jam at like at the top where we're going. So I'm looking forward to that, and I hope it looks beautiful because I want to show it to you guys. So yeah, this is what this is, just a little quick update on what's happening. Also, we are not allowed to use our phones because they want us to focus on the nature. Running out of breath. They want us to focus on the nature and do all that stuff. So vlogging was not gonna be as easy as I thought it would, but of course I'm gonna keep you guys updated on whatever is happening, and I'm still looking good. So yeah, this is what this is. Bye. Okay. Perfect. Okay, man. Ayo. Nanko. Ay, ven. Take it. so this is an update on what's happening. It started raining, so we're just resting for now and seeing if the weather will clear up or not, so we can continue the hike. But if the weather gets serious, like, I think we might just have to go back down. But if the weather is like responding and saying yes to us, we're just gonna have to like keep going, because that's the whole point of this. So yeah, this is just a little update on what's happening. We're just waiting around for the rain and seeing what the weather has for us. And if the weather is clearing up, then we're gonna actually be able to continue the trail. Other than that, yeah, nothing much is happening. Yeah.
I knew it. It's gonna hurt. It's gonna be difficult. To keep on pushing. We don't have a choice. I knew it.
Okay guys, so we're finally at the dam where we were going. We're finally here. We took we're just taking a break, taking a few pictures, waiting for Chris to come back so we can actually see what's happening.
He's a big fat guy, so yeah.
I didn't say that.
We're waiting for him to come. But I love him though. He's nice and yeah.
So yeah, we're just waiting around and taking like a few pictures. Then I'm gonna upload them in the video. So yeah, this is what this is. Stay updated. Not me getting in the water, son. Okay.
You see, I'm in. Just follow the ropes. Step on top of the
Hell no. never again, son. Hey guys, so we just got back from the mountain. I couldn't film the way down because my phone died and it also fell and cracked. I'm using my friend's phone. It's an iPhone 11. I bet you can see through the quality. So yeah, we just got back. We're about to go to the transport and head home. I don't know what we're gonna do before that, but for now we're just chilling, waiting for the others to actually get their way back down, and then see what we do when everyone is down here, because some are still coming down the mountain. We actually took shortcuts. That's how we actually managed to get down faster. Managed to get down faster. So this is what this is. We're just sitting around and just resting because my feet are killing me. Other than that, yeah, nothing much is happening. Yeah, I guess I'll see you on the road or at home.